Welcome back to my final daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. On Friday the 3rd of April, we're going to look at gold. And gold is an interesting chart at the moment because we've seen a gold rally back higher again to entirely undo all the negative move that we've seen in the price since Tuesday. So two positive candles, and that came as not only the dollar has been strengthening, but also equity markets have been falling. So this is interesting, sort of going against the correlation with the dollar, but resuming what is normal negative correlation with equity markets. But a little bit of an uncertain move today, but it's interesting that gold is holding up, and the support that we've seen gold building around what is certainly now a pivot at 1562. Which was Tuesday's low, rebounded off that to leave that as a pivot line support. Back above all the moving averages, you've got momentum indicators which are edging higher once more. And it's looking as though gold is fairly well supported again. And not only that, we've seen the dollar strengthening quite significantly this morning, and gold's basically gone nowhere. So this is really interesting that gold is now starting to hold up in the face of dollar strengthening. And certainly given the fact that risk appetite is starting to turn negative, that should be gold positive, and the technicals are supportive of that. I'll tell you what, let's change that back to 40, because it seems as though that obviously 40 previously through the bull phase had been supportive on RSI. It then became, on the breakdown of that, 60 became the level to watch on the upside, and now breaking through 60, we're now starting to see 40 in the last couple of days. So you do see this sort of swinging around of sentiment, but we're now sort of taking on a positive bias on gold again, and that is something that we certainly need to keep an eye on. But payrolls report today, volatility is likely to be seen, but ultimately I think we continue to expect gold weakness to be bought into. And given the fact that this 1562 level of support has held nicely, I think that is a very good floor to have in gold now. So 1562 is our floor. Now, looking higher, you'd be looking at 1642, which was that fib level, 23.6% fib, but also the reaction high from last week. And a closing breakout above that really does reopen this high 1702 again. So we're starting to look a little bit more positively. In the breakout above 1600, that becomes a basis of support. So 1600 initially supportive today, although in today's early session 1606 you could argue. But it certainly looks as though that the outlook for gold is far more sort of looking positive once more. Not decisively so, and it won't be decisively positive until above 1642, and then below 1562 you start to look a little bit more corrective once more, but we're sort of edging a more positive configuration today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and you've got a payrolls webinar today straight for you there. So I wish you good luck in your trading.